Hello everyone, welcome to Be Rizel. Today actually I'm trying I have written some Indian prompts for, I want to generate some Indian kind of musics and I will use Google Music LM for that. So I have already shown the full tutorial about how you can get the access to Google Music LM, how you can pre-register for this too. You can see that video on my channel. So today I will use some Indian prompts to create an Indian music. So I have already written some Indian prompts. I will show you here. The first one is Indian traditional drums with heavy metal guitar creating a full rock sound. I will copy it and I will paste it and I will click on generate. Let's see. Okay. Then the beats are good. Okay, nice. Okay, let's listen to track number 2. Okay, the tracks he generated are good, but I have written I need Indian traditional drums with heavy metal guitar, so I was unable to hear heavy metal guitars anywhere in the music. These two are the generations for the same prompt, so let's try the next one. Loud Indian traditional drums on which one can dance with beats, repetitive rhythm and with the touch of sitar. Let's see how this one works. Okay, it's kind of like the Indian Kathak dance. It's more of like that. Let's listen to track number 2. In this track actually I can hear the touch of sitar and the repetitive rhythms and some kind of traditional drums, but this is the sound of small drums that are like this big. Okay, so let's try the next prompt. I have an Indian sitar with tabla at a slow rate of speed, chill out track, emotional chord, progressions of saxophone and soothing vocals of an Indian girl, long vocals notes with emotional chords. Let's see. Okay, let's generate this music. Okay, and okay, it's taking some time to generate this. Okay, this will create the whole next level of music. Hey, come on. You can listen the saxophone. You can also listen the sound of sitar, and I can also listen the drums. Actually, I have not written anywhere drums, but still. Okay, let's listen to track number 2. Actually, the saxophone and sitar has no match with each other, and that's why the sound we are listening is very weird. Like both saxophone and sitar sound is coming. Okay, so Google LM is now in learning phase, I guess, and that's why you are listening some downs and ups in the music while between the music. So, okay. So, you have to try your own prompt and let me know in the comment section what prompts are working best for you. I will make the detailed video on that prompts also. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.